This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Tradestation. First, navigate to the Tradestation website and locate the Open Account button. You'll then choose your account type, such as an individual or joint brokerage account, and complete the straightforward online application. This process involves providing some personal and financial information. Finally, fund your new account with at least $500 to activate it and begin your trading journey. It's a simple, guided process. Once your account is active, the next step is to download the Tradestation platform software. Visit their official website to find the download link and follow the clear, on-screen instructions for installation. After a successful installation, log in using the credentials you created during your account setup. Take a moment to explore the default workspace layout and familiarize yourself with the various tools available to you. Now that you're logged in, it's time to customize your workspace for optimal efficiency. You can personalize your charts by adding various indicators and drawing tools that align with your analysis. Feel free to arrange windows and panels to perfectly suit your unique trading style. Remember to create and save multiple custom layouts for different strategies, and ensure you set up real-time data feeds for the most accurate market information. With your workspace configured, you're ready to place your first trade. Navigate to the Trade tab and select your desired asset, whether it's stocks, options, or futures. Carefully enter the order type, such as market or limit, along with the quantity and price parameters. Always review your order details thoroughly before submission. After placing your trade, monitor your open positions and manage risk effectively to ensure a successful trading experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.